they're expecting me na maging isa doon sa top 5. And even myself din naman, since I've been working so hard for this, it means that I'm expecting to also na maging part din ng top 5.
Given that you are a pageant veteran, nag-compete ka na sa international, aside from this, ano sa tingin mo yung naging susi ng tagumpay mo?
Para sa akin, siguro ang susi ng tagumpay para sa akin ay ang tiwala sa sarili. Tiwala sa sarili at lagi mong isa sa taas, ipapasa sa Diyos lahat ng hirap ng mga naranasan mo. And with that, nagiging successful ako dahil sa ganung tiwala sa sarili at tiwala sa itaas.
What's the hardest part of clinching the crown or winning the crown?
Well, for me naman, I've seen how my other candidates also, they're doing their best just to be a part of the top 5. And me also. But I think the hardest part for me is what would be the possible questions that they ask me. Maybe I don't really understand or maybe nabablanko ako. Ganon yung mga hardest part for me. Yung mga rampa, I can do that. But yung talaga, yung Q&A, medyo kinakabahan ako. But I hope that ma-improve ko pa siya, hopefully. And base sa nangyayari ngayon, it means that lahat ng pagod, lahat ng sakripisyo is na-achieve natin.
Of course, you will be receiving 200,000 pesos. What's your plan?
My sister, she take her course as a nursing. So, nursing, sobrang mahal po ng nursing. And I will save that money for her. And also, hopefully, if I could have the chance din naman to help other people, like sa mga less fortunate or sa mga remote areas, hopefully I could give some I could give some food, mga ganon. So hopefully I'm still looking forward for that. So sana suportahan ninyo kung ano man yung mga plans ko soon.
Now that
So we've seen here how people work so hard just to provide food for their family. And I want that voice to those people out, like from the Santa Cruz, that they should have to give an importance, recognition, so that they would also willing to work so hard, give their 100% to also to support the government, the Ilocos Sur, of course. And hopefully it could also inspire other municipalities or even other provinces as well to do the same thing as promoting their source of wealth, which is like us, which is tuna. And hopefully I could give an inspiration and give a justice as being Mr. Ilocos Sur 2026. From the committee, from the organizer, of course, from our very own Governor Jeremiah Singson for giving us this huge event. It was actually sobrang laki na event nito. It was my actually first time to have this kind of stage. Grabe, para siyang international stage talaga yung klaseng competition. And at the same time also, my co-candidates, hindi rin sila basta-basta. And yun na nga, thank you so much guys. To all the people who supported me, my family, my friends, my team, my Ricky's Angels team, ayan, who's always there for us, uplift up, helping us para ma-fulfill itong dream na to na maging isang Mr. Ilocos Sur 2026.
Alright, once again,